Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I want to talk to you about clean air. Now, did you know that the quality of your air inside your house could actually be worse than the air outside of your house? It's super scary if you think about it, especially if your house is in an urban center. So there's a lot of traffic pollution, industrial contamination, cell phones, gardens, and trees all down the road that could be affecting your health right now. So have you noticed that you feel a little bit more tired more often? Are you drinking 3 cups of coffee instead of 2? Do you have a runny nose more times than not and you don't have a cold? Do you have that lingering and nagging cough that just doesn't seem to go away? If you do, then that could be the quality of your air could actually be to blame for some of those things. Now, if you do leave them unchecked, these air contaminants that you're struggling with could cause some serious medical issues that just won't go away. So you want to make sure that we actually get on top of it. Now, instead of buying a product or something, we're going to talk about plants. Now, plants all have the ability to change carbon dioxide into the oxygen that the planet uses. So we breathe it, animals breathe it, everybody uses oxygen. But absorbing carbon dioxide and providing the oxygen that we need isn't the only thing plants are really good at. They can also zap a lot of potentially dangerous substances from the air. So today I'm going to talk about 7 of these really pretty and super cool air purifying plants that you can use in your home or in your office and right now. And these ones, they're super easy to take care of. So this list that I have, they're not something that you need a green thumb. So the first one we'll talk about is ivy. Now, NASA has done some clean air study. And ivy has been proven to eliminate pollutants such as formaldehyde, which is found in that manufactured wood and glues, benzene, which is found a lot in household cleaners and paint, and xylene, which is various paints and adhesives from the air. So that one's ivy. The second one is peace lily. Now, peace lily is pretty much takes everything out of the air, especially for acetone. So this one's really good for ladies if you like to polish your nails. That can take care of that smell right away. The third one is a fern. So ferns are really great at removing xylene and toluene, which are both solvents from the air, and it makes practically useful if you're living or working in a new build and the walls have been freshly painted or wallpaper, because sometimes when you're in those buildings, you're like, oh, there's just this nasty stink. So ferns are something that is really good that can take all that away. The fourth one are orchids. Orchids are probably one of my favorite flowers. Obviously, the rose is my favorite one, but orchids have the ability to devour harmful substances like formaldehyde and xylene, again, which are mostly found in paint formulations. So if, again, kind of like the other one, if you have had a room that's been freshly decorated or painted, orchids are something else that will absorb all those chemicals from the paint. Number 5 is an anthurium. There isn't really much an anthurium won't draw from the air, so this one's just a really good all-purpose plant. So if you don't know what you need to clean from the air, an anthurium is probably a good plant to have. Number 6 is a Dracaena. So this one obliterates all manic of toxic substances from the air, including the trichloroethylene, the benzene, and formaldehyde. So really nasty stuff. That's when that one will do. And then the 7th one is mother-in-law's tongue. No, we're not going to go there, but this is actually a plant. So not only does this spiky leaf plant counteract the ethylene like the other one did, the xylene, formaldehyde, the toluene, the benzene, but it also gives off oxygen at the night, so it can actually help you breathe cleaner and can help you sleep a lot better if you have that in your room. So those are just some 7 plants that super easy to care for. If you don't know how to care for them, you can Google them. They're super common. They look really pretty. You can use them inside without light. Just make sure you water them, but you don't have to have a big green thumb to take care of these 7 plants that can do so much for your clean health. And so hopefully you can add these to your daily life and give you some nice color and enjoyment when they're just sitting in your office or your house. And yeah, hopefully you can enjoy them. So that's all I have for you guys this week. We'll see you guys next time.